Google has unveiled its latest smartphone, the Pixel 8. I'm the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter. There are a few new notable features with this Pixel 8, especially some software updates. The Pixel 8 is revolutionizing photography with its AI-powered camera system. The most notable and best take feature, which will combine multiple frames of the same shot into a single photo, is awesome. The Pixel 8 also has a larger and more versatile display measuring 6.2 inches and has an extended battery life that'll last about a full day with normal use, despite the ambitious claims of up to 36 hours. That's what if it's doing nothing. The phone is also incorporating an AI into its safety features, including one copied from Apple iPhone that will call emergency services if you get into a car accident. It's going to send safety check-ins for nighttime runners and travelers and provide crisis alerts for natural disasters and early earthquake warnings. Google brags that the phone here is constructed using 100% recycled aircraft-grade aluminum, and even the glass and plastic used are 100% repurposed. So there. More quick tips at cyberguy.com where you can check this out. And are you getting my free newsletter? You can click that little red button and get it yourself.